How's it going, everybody? This is Roger over here at Ohio Flips. I got this really cool Fisher-Price stereo system deluxe here. It's really cool. Obviously old school, 78, I believe. I'm going to come up, turn it on, so you can see the old record spin. There she goes. Can't tell you too much about it. I don't have a needle, unfortunately. I'm assuming, as you can see, looks like everything's working. Volume, it's going to probably be, oh, there goes the speaker. So, there you have it. Pretty cool. I'm going to have it for sale for $21.50 plus freight over there on Ohio Flips. Okay, we got her all buttoned up in her case, ready to go. Again, it's pretty cool. Brings back a lot of memories. I'm in my late 50s. Woo-hoo. So I remember these well. So I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration of the operation of the Fisher-Price stereo. It does work. It's up for sale. Thanks.